So I haven't been walking a mile, like 5-6 days a week. So yeah, I'll make one today. So I found out some interesting news today. I'm not gonna share it with you guys because it's sort of a family matter. Well, for me it is. So yeah. So this weekend, I think I'm going dress shopping for the dance. The only reason I'm going to get a dress is because my friend Mia says I have to wear a dress to school dance. So yeah. Fun. I'm not one of those girls who enjoys dress shopping or enjoys wearing pretty jewelry, like, oh, look at my new necklace, it looks so cute. You're lucky to be seen in jewelry. Oh, damn it. Okay. My hair's sticking up. Dang it. I now have this red on my hair too. Oh, it actually looks pretty cute. Sort of like a headband thing. Yeah. But it is a pretty big necklace too. Probably about 2 of my feet. Let's see how many times can it wrap around my ankle. 1, 2. 2 times. Oh. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna do. If I get sort of a pink or red dress, which I picked out, I will wear a collar in my hair. But I promised my friend Mia I'd get prettied up. Flowers, which I don't know why are in here. So yeah. And look, you can see my backpack. Oh Lord, what is in that? That's okay. So I'm not looking forward to bringing that to school tomorrow. Okay, so bye guys. Have a good night. And I'll vlog later. Love you guys. Bye.